How to fix action needed, no internet issue on Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix no internet issue on your Windows, and let's get started. So the first step is, since it says there is no internet issue even when you're connected, what you can do is you can check for your internet connection. So just go to your Wi-Fi's settings and check for internet connection and try to turn off your Wi-Fi, turn it back on, and disconnect and connect back to your internet. After you do that, what you can then do is, if it still does not fix your issue, open up your registry editor. So simply search for registry editor and open it up and give it permission. After you open it up as administrator, you will need to head over to this file location. So this is the file location we will be heading onto in our registry editor. So let's get started. So first, let me just close this up. And first is open up this HKey local machine folder. Then head over to the system folder. And after you do that, head over to something called your current control set. And there you will find services. Expand on services and then scroll down. Now all of this are arranged in alphabetical order, so simply scroll down until you find this NLASVC. So after you find this, you can just expand on it again, expand on the parameters, and again just go to the internet folder here. And after you're on the internet folder, here you will find an option that's called your enable active probing. Double tap on it to open this up. Now as you can see, there is an edit dword option, and here is a value. Now make sure the base is hexadecimal and change this value to 0. After you do that, tap on OK and just save this and your problem will get fixed. Now since I don't have the problem, I'm just setting my dword value to 1, but you can change it to 0 if you're facing the issue, and just close your registry editor up and then your problem will get fixed. If it does not get fixed, just restart your computer once and it should do the trick. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye, take care.